Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and I just want to encourage you today to be persistent and to stick with it. Entrepreneurs average 3.8 failures before they have success. So what really sets the successful ones apart from people who don't have success, right? It's their amazing persistence. And so have you ever had a launch that has just totally bombed, or you had a potential client say no, or you felt like this is just never going to happen? Hello, we all have. That's just part of it. It's part of it, but I want to encourage you to stick with it and just know that failures will happen. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. They will. It's a part of the journey. The faster you fail, the faster you'll succeed. Okay, a really good book that helped me when I was first getting started as an entrepreneur in network marketing was Go for No. And just having that mentality, I'm going to ask, I'm going to go for it, I'm going to do whatever it takes to make it happen and keep working until. One of the beliefs that you need to adopt is my success is inevitable. My success is inevitable. Write it down. Put it somewhere you can see it, and just know that it is, as long as you stick with it. All right, head to she'smakinganimpact.com and sign up for my free Pinterest masterclass if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you later.